shakes his tail and spins around, barely flopping to the ground, rolling in the soft green grass, giggling every time he passes. Baby duck meets Bunny White, with twitchy nose and eyes so bright. They play and bounce and hop so high, trying to reach the butterfly. Quack, quack here and giggle there, feathers flying in the air, chasing butterflies with glee, underneath the big oak tree. He waddles near a snoring pup, and gives its ear a gentle cup. Quack, he says, then hides behind a daisy tall. What fun to find! A squirrel peeks from up a tree, dropping acorns playfully. Baby duck jumps up in joy, like every branch is now a toy. He rides a leaf down tiny stream, like floating in a happy dream. He splashes water left and right, making rainbows in the light. Soon he hears a gentle call, Mama duck stands proud and tall. Quack, 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 it's time to rest, come back home to Mama's nest. He runs back fast, he flaps his wings, with stories of amazing things. She hugs him close, he snuggles tight, and dreams begin as day turns night. Snuggled deep in feather bed, with sleepy thoughts inside his head, he whispers soft, I love this day, then dreams of ducks that laugh and play.